Hello, and thank you for joining us today for our first product premiere of 2022. Today, I'm proud to launch our AMD Ryzen 6000 series mobile processors that deliver leadership performance, battery life, and much, much more. It starts with an updated Zen 3 Plus CPU core optimized specifically to deliver leadership performance per watt for notebooks. For the first time, we are bringing RDNA 2 graphics to our notebook APUs. For increased performance and greater power efficiency, Ryzen 6000 APUs are built using TSMC's 6-nanometer process technology. And to enable our partners to build the ultimate notebooks, we paired our leadership mobile processor with the latest in memory and connectivity technologies, including low-power DDR5 memory, USB 4, and Wi-Fi 6E. Ryzen 6000 powered notebooks feature our fastest Ryzen processor ever. With boost speeds up to 5 gigahertz, we're delivering an average of 1.3x faster performance compared to the 5000 series across a wide range of compute-intensive benchmarks. And with an RDNA 2 graphics built in, it's a massive leap. Ryzen 6000 APUs deliver up to 69% faster video editing, more than double the 3D rendering performance, and double the 1080p gaming performance. To better address the evolving security threats facing the industry, I'm very proud to announce that Ryzen 6000 series will be the first PC processors that integrate the Microsoft Pluton security processor. We've made significant design optimizations and enhancements in our Ryzen 6000 processors to deliver leadership performance per watt, including an all-new adaptive power control framework and new power management features that will enable up to 24 hours of video playback on a single charge.
In Ryzen 6000, we introduced the Zen 3 Plus core, bringing into perfect balance high performance and incredible efficiency. The Zen 3 core shines in cases where performance really matters. We've upped our game in raw APU horsepower, logging substantial gains in both single-thread and multi-thread compute. Cinebench R23 single-thread has improved by 11%, and multi-thread has improved by 28%. A combination of improved frequency and enhanced clock residency delivers performance across the most demanding applications. PC Mark 10 Extended, which blends a suite of real-world applications, shows a 28% gain compared to our Ryzen 5000 series product. We put power consumption front and center in Zen 3 Plus. Over a 30% system power reduction when running Microsoft Teams, 40% when playing Netflix. For the first time, we are bringing the incredible RDNA graphics architecture into a mobile APU. It offers up to 12 RDNA 2 compute units, setting a new standard for APU graphics. It is the first mobile APU to support hardware ray tracing. Compared to Ryzen 5000 graphics, the RDNA 2 engine supports a 2x larger cache. The overall graphics engine is 50% larger than the prior generation of Ryzen Mobile. And Ryzen 6000 is optimized for Fidelity FX Super Resolution and Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate. We see it as significantly faster than the integrated Xe graphics available in the Tiger Lake 1165 G7 notebook. Ryzen 6000 APU graphics also beats that MX450 discrete graphics hands down. Ryzen 6000 also introduces an all-new connected laptop platform. There's an all-new high-speed USB 4. PCIe Gen 4 enables the latest generation of mobile GPUs, NVMe drives to their full potential. Most notably, the Radeon 6000 series lineup of GPUs supports this high-speed interface from top to bottom. We've enabled the latest DDR5 or LPDDR5 on all Ryzen 6000 platforms. Our deep partnership with a number of wireless providers ensures fast, responsive Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E solutions are available on Ryzen 6000 laptops. And finally, Ryzen 6000 rocks an all-new display engine, delivering the richest visuals of any notebook platform.
In addition to the ThinkPad Z, we have a record number of premium commercial, consumer, and gaming notebook designs powered by Ryzen 6000 on the way this year. And to power all those different notebooks, we have 20 different Ryzen 6000 mobile processors optimized for ultra-thin, commercial, and gaming designs. And you should see the first Ryzen 6000 notebooks starting in February.
Today, we are announcing a whole lot of new AMD Radeon mobile GPUs to bring the best experience to every gaming laptop. For the Slim line, we have 3 models, averaging over 80 to 100 frames per second in the latest AAA and eSport gaming titles. For the M series, we're introducing the new RX 6850M XT, our fastest GPU for extreme gaming laptops. And new 6650 models, delivering up to 20% more performance over the original 6600M. And a brand new GPU for gamers, available in 2 models, the AMD Radeon RX 6300M and the 6500M. For our desktop gamers, today we are introducing a new 6nm GPU that brings RDNA 2 graphics to even more gamers. The AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT. This graphics card has the fastest sustained GPU clock rates ever at over 2.6 gigahertz, includes 16 hardware ray accelerators, 16 megabytes of Infinity Cache, and supports the full suite of Adrenalin software features. The Radeon RX 6500 XT partner designs will be available January 19th, starting at $199.
I'm excited to announce that we've taken our FSR technology and we've integrated it into the next version of the Adrenalin software suite. This new feature, it's called Radeon Super Resolution, and it allows you to get the performance benefits of FSR across nearly every game you own. Today, I'm excited to announce that the next generation of the Zephyrus G14 will feature Ryzen 9 6000 series processors and now include Radeon thin and light mobile graphics, offering GPUs up to a Radeon RX 6800S, along with AMD Smart Shift and Smart Access technologies. The industry's first 14-inch AMD Advantage gaming laptop will be available in select regions in Q1.
Today, I'm excited to announce that we are bringing 3D chiplet technology to market in our Ryzen CPUs. The Ryzen 7 5800X3D is our first Ryzen processor with 3D V-Cache technology. It features 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 4.5 gigahertz boost, and a large 64 megabytes of 3D cache to go with the 32 megabytes of 2D cache. Looking at the performance in 1080p gaming, we see a significant increase in performance in many games with the 96 megabytes of L3 cache. Across the entire suite, it delivers an average of 15% more frames per second than our previous fastest gaming processor, the Ryzen 9 5900X. And when compared to the competition's best gaming processor, we're proud to say the combination of the Zen 3 core and AMD 3D V-Cache once again makes Ryzen the fastest gaming CPU in the world. And I'm happy to say that Ryzen 7 5800X3D will be available starting this spring. Zen 4 is the next big step. Built on 5nm process technology, Zen 4 will extend our performance and performance per watt leadership in desktop PCs. This is the all-new 5nm AMD Ryzen 7000 desktop processor. It's currently running in our labs, and the performance looks incredible. In addition to the new Ryzen 7000 CPUs, we're introducing an all-new AM5 platform. AM5 features an LGA socket and includes a support for PCI Express Gen 5, DDR5 memory, and much, much more. And I'm happy to say that we're on track to bring Ryzen 7000 and AM5 to the market in the second half of this year. Now, to wrap up, we'll start with Radeon 6500 XT, available January 19th. The first notebooks powered by our Ryzen 6000 CPUs and Radeon 6000 GPUs will arrive in February. And Ryzen 7 5800X3D will launch in the spring. And we are super excited to launch our next generation Ryzen 7000 desktop CPUs in the second half of 2022. I want to thank all of you who have joined us today on the Product Premiere live stream. We look forward to a great 2022 and seeing you again soon.